Are you shocked that affordable watches under $300 now deliver finishing, features, and quality that rivaled luxury watches costing thousands just years ago? The budget watch market in 2026 has narrowed the gap between affordable and luxury to the point where discerning buyers question whether premium prices still justify the differences. Whether you're a value-conscious collector building quality without breaking banks, someone who recognizes that luxury pricing often pays for marketing rather than actual quality, or simply refusing to overpay when affordable alternatives deliver comparable experiences, these exceptional watches prove the luxury gap is closing fast. In this comprehensive guide, we're counting down watches under $300 that deliver features and quality making luxury brands nervous. Number 10. Casio Duro MDV106. The Casio Duro MDV106 starts our list as the legendary budget diver, proving that serious dive watches don't require luxury pricing. This cult classic demonstrates that functional tool watches work perfectly at accessible prices. What makes the Duro special is the genuine 200-meter ISO dive watch capability at under $50 pricing that luxury brands charge thousands for. The reliable quartz movement provides superior accuracy and maintenance-free operation compared to mechanical movements needing regular servicing. The large legible markers provide excellent readability, matching dive watches costing 10 times more. The comfortable resin strap handles water exposure better than leather or metal bracelets requiring careful maintenance. The simple, reliable design eliminates complications and features that most people never use, reducing failure points. This watch proves that dive watch functionality doesn't require luxury branding or extreme pricing. Number 9. Orient Ray II. Coming in at number 9 is the Orient Ray II, proving that quality automatic dive watches exist far below luxury pricing. This Japanese value champion demonstrates that in-house movements and quality finishing don't require premium brands. What sets the Ray II apart is the excellent finishing quality with well-executed dial and case polishing rivaling watches costing significantly more. The in-house Orient automatic movement provides reliable timekeeping with accuracy, often matching Swiss movements costing thousands. The 200-meter water resistance with proper dive watch specifications provides genuine underwater capability. The day-date complication provides practical functionality that many luxury watches omit or charge premiums for. The comfortable proportions wear well on various wrist sizes without the overwhelming presence luxury dive watches often create. This watch delivers luxury dive watch features at fraction of the cost. Number 8. Seiko 5 Sports SRPD. The Seiko 5 Sports SRPD secures the 8th spot, proving that automatic sports watches with heritage design don't need luxury prices. This accessible classic demonstrates that Seiko delivers quality that luxury brands struggle to justify. What makes the SRPD exceptional is the reliable 4R36 movement with hacking and hand-winding matching features luxury brands charge premiums for. The 100-meter water resistance handles daily life and swimming without requiring excessive dive ratings that inflate costs. The display caseback showcases mechanical movement, providing transparency that luxury brands hide behind solid casebacks. The extensive modification community proves the quality construction matches or exceeds luxury watches in durability and serviceability. The affordable pricing under $300 delivers automatic movement and sports watch capability that entry-level luxury watches cannot match. This watch questions why anyone pays triple for similar specifications from luxury brands. Number 7. Citizen Promaster Diver BN0150. Taking the 7th position is the Citizen Promaster Diver BN0150. Proving that ISO-certified dive watches don't require Swiss luxury pricing. This professional tool demonstrates that Japanese engineering rivals Swiss complications. What makes the Promaster special is the genuine ISO dive certification at under $300 pricing that luxury dive watches charge thousands for. The EcoDrive solar power eliminates battery changes and winding, providing superior convenience compared to mechanical luxury watches. The 200-meter water resistance with proper specifications matches luxury dive watches at fraction of the cost. The excellent lume application provides visibility rivaling luxury watches using expensive Swiss lume. The durable construction survives professional diving conditions that would damage luxury watches requiring expensive servicing. This watch proves that dive watch capability doesn't require luxury brand premiums. Number 6. Timex Marlin Automatic. The Timex Marlin Automatic earns the 6th spot, proving that vintage-inspired mechanical watches don't need luxury heritage pricing. This elegant timepiece demonstrates that American brands create sophisticated designs rivaling Swiss luxury. What sets the Marlin apart is the gorgeous vintage aesthetics with refined proportions matching luxury dress watches costing thousands. The mechanical hand-winding movement provides traditional watchmaking experience that luxury brands charge extreme premiums for. The perfect vintage sizing wears appropriately for classic aesthetic, unlike oversized modern luxury pieces. The domed crystal adds dimensional beauty that many luxury watches lack with flat sapphire crystals. The affordable pricing around $200 delivers mechanical movement and refined design that entry-level luxury cannot match. This watch questions why mechanical movements justify $1,000 premiums from luxury brands. Number 5. Orient Kamasu. Coming in at number 5 is the Orient Kamasu, proving that superior finishing exists far below luxury price points. This Japanese gem demonstrates that quality execution doesn't require luxury branding. What makes the Kamasu exceptional is the outstanding finishing quality with better dial execution and case polishing than many luxury watches costing triple. The sapphire crystal provides scratch resistance that luxury brands present as premium feature despite minimal actual cost. The in-house automatic movement demonstrates manufacturing capability that luxury brands use to justify extreme pricing. The 200-meter water resistance provides genuine capability that many luxury dress watches cannot match. The excellent value around $300 delivers specifications and finishing that luxury brands charge thousands for without meaningful improvements. This watch exposes how luxury pricing often pays for branding rather than actual quality. Number 4. Seiko 5 GMT SSK001. The Seiko 5 GMT SSK001 takes the 4th position, proving that GMT complications don't require luxury Swiss movements. This accessible traveler demonstrates that useful complications work perfectly without extreme pricing. What makes the SSK001 special is the true GMT function at under $500 pricing that luxury brands charge thousands for. The reliable 4R34 GMT movement provides independently adjustable hour-hand matching luxury GMT functionality. The comfortable 39mm sizing wears better than oversized luxury GMT watches, creating better daily wearing experience. The various colorways provide options that luxury brands reserve for expensive limited editions. The immediate availability without waitlists respects customers, unlike luxury allocation games creating artificial scarcity. This watch proves that GMT complications don't justify luxury pricing premiums. Number 3. Casio Oceanus OCW T200S. The Casio Oceanus OCW T200S secures the 3rd spot, proving that titanium construction and advanced features don't need luxury pricing. This technological marvel demonstrates that Japanese engineering surpasses Swiss luxury. What makes the Oceanus exceptional is the full titanium construction, with excellent finishing rivaling luxury titanium watches costing 5 times more. The atomic timekeeping provides perfect accuracy that mechanical luxury watches cannot remotely approach regardless of price. The solar power eliminates maintenance that mechanical luxury watches require with expensive servicing every few years. The sapphire crystal and quality finishing throughout match luxury specifications at fraction of the cost. The comprehensive features, including world time and perpetual calendar, surpass most luxury watches. This watch exposes how luxury mechanical movements are inferior to modern technology. Number 2. Citizen Series 8 NA1010. Taking the runner-up position is the Citizen Series 8 NA1010, proving that Zaratsu polishing and haute horlogerie finishing exist below luxury pricing. This exceptional timepiece demonstrates that Japanese craftsmanship rivals Swiss luxury. What makes the Series 8 special is the stunning Zaratsu polishing, creating distortion-free mirror surfaces matching Grand Seiko quality. The high-beat automatic movement provides superior accuracy approaching chronometer specifications without certification costs. The gorgeous dial with applied indices creates beauty-rivaling luxury watches costing significantly more. The excellent finishing throughout demonstrates attention to detail that many luxury brands lack. The reasonable pricing around $1,000 delivers finishing and movement quality that Swiss luxury charges triple for. This watch questions the entire luxury pricing structure. Number 1. Orient Star Classic RE AU05L, the game changer. Finally, here it is, the number 1 watch under $300 that literally rivals Grand Seiko, proving the luxury gap has essentially closed. The Orient Star Classic AU05L. This isn't just another affordable watch. It's a masterpiece of finishing, design, and craftsmanship that competes directly with watches costing 10 times more, proving that luxury pricing pays primarily for brand names rather than actual quality making. This is the watch that exposes how affordable brands now deliver experiences that luxury brands cannot justify charging extreme premiums for anymore. The Orient Star Classic features absolutely stunning finishing with polished bevels and brushed surfaces rivaling Grand Seiko execution. What makes this watch truly extraordinary is the gorgeous dial with applied indices and exceptional attention to detail matching luxury standards. The in-house automatic movement with hand winding and power reserve indicator provides complications that luxury brands charge premiums for. The sapphire crystal and exhibition caseback showcase quality construction that luxury brands hide or charge extra for. The perfect proportions and refined design create sophisticated aesthetic matching Swiss luxury dress watches. The incredible value around $300 delivers finishing and features that luxury brands charge thousands for without meaningful improvements. This watch proves the luxury gap has closed, and smart buyers recognize that paying extreme premiums for brand names no longer makes sense.